Hello, my name is Rossella and today I'm going to do chapter 7 in this book. You can find me on Facebook, Theory Virtuoso, and Instagram, Theory Virtuoso. You can also visit my website, theoryvirtuoso.com. The link is in the description below, where you can see all the videos that I publish. In exercise 1 of chapter 7, we need to tick across the boxes to show if the chords, as they are named, are written correctly or not. G major is made up of Sol, Si, Re. Perfect. Any sharps? Nope. Not in the chord. Correct. F minor. Okay, this chord has the right notes. Fa, La, Do. However, the minor chords are formed by a minor third between the first and second note. And in this case, it isn't, because it's a major. This is a major chord. So, this is incorrect, because this chord is F major. E major is made up of Mi, So sharp, and Si. And these notes could be correct if the clef was the treble clef. But in bass clef, this note is G. So I'm afraid this is a trick. Incorrect. B minor is made of the chord of B minor is made up of Si, Re, and Fa sharp. And we don't have any Fa sharps here, so incorrect. A flat major is made up of La flat, Do, and Mi flat. So this chord is correct. So how do we know the sharps or flats of the notes? I don't use the circle of fifths, I use another system, and you can find it by watching the videos to A, to B and to C, linked in the description below or on the card up here. In these videos I say that there is an order of flats and sharps that we need to know. With the key signature with flats, the name of the key is the penultimate flat in the key signature. So for example, the order is Si, Mi, La, Re, and La is the penultimate, so these are the flats in the key signature. Therefore, La is flat, Do is not flat, and Mi is flat. And so this is correct, okay? Go and watch it because it is very useful. I will use this technique for some of these chords here. C sharp minor is the relative minor of E major, and E major, okay, with the key signatures with sharps, okay, because E major has sharps for the fact that it doesn't contain flat in the key. So we go from E, one semitone lower is Re, okay. This is the last sharp in the key signature. Now in order, we go Fa, Do, Sol, Re. So these are the four sharps in the key signature. Now, the minor, the relative minor and the major keys share the key signature. So here you go. Do sharp, yes. Mi, no sharp, and So sharp, yes. So this is correct. F sharp minor is the relative minor of 3 semitones above A major. A major, let's do the same. A major minus 1 semitone is G. So Fa, Do, and Sol. You carry on until you find the last sharp that you named. So Fa, Do, Sol. These are the 3 sharps in the key signature of both A major and F sharp minor. So let's see. Fa sharp, yes. La, not sharp. And Do sharp, yes. So this is correct. D major, we all know it, I guess, has 2 sharps and they are Fa and Do, okay? okay, Do sharp plus 1 semitone, D major. The first note is Re, and this is it because middle C is here. Re, Fa sharp, La. So this is correct. A major, as we said, has 3 sharps. Which one is included in the key chord? La, Do sharp, Mi. Yes, this could be correct, but I'm afraid this is in bass clef, and so this note is not La, but it's Do. So this is, in fact, the notes are Do, Mi sharp, and Sol. It makes no sense to me, so this is incorrect. I hope this was useful. Let's go to exercise 2. In exercise 2, we need to circle the correct key for the given chords. So let's do the whole thing again. F sharp. This is F sharp, okay? We need to go to straight onto the bottom note because this is the start. This is the key that we're trying to find. So this is F sharp, and we have F sharp minor here. So let's see if this is F sharp minor. F sharp minor is the relative minor of 3 semitones above A major, and A major has 3 sharps because A major minus 1 semitone is G sharp. Let's do it. Oh, actually what I can do here is write the order of flats and sharps. So the flats are Si, Mi, La, Re, Sol, Do and Fa. Big elephants, 8 dinosaurs, goat, cheese and figs. If you want, you can create your own weird sentence and send it to me. I love to hear your views on this. The sharps are the flats in reverse. So Fa, Do, Sol, Re, La, Mi and Si. Fun coloring gigantic drawings after eating breakfast. Okay. Let's go to the sharps. So A major, okay, is the relative major of F minor. A major minus 1 semitone is G. So these 3 sharps are included in the key signature of both A major and F sharp minor. Now let's check the notes. F sharp, okay. La is not sharp because we have just 3 sharps, and Do is sharp, yes. So this is the key of F minor. The bottom note is E. Now, is it E major or minor? We need to see if the third is major or not. If this third here between the 2 notes, the first 2 notes, is major, the chord is E major. If it's minor, the chord is E minor. And the third is major here because, of course, Mi so sharp is a major third, because it's made up of 2 tones. So this is the chord of E major. If you want to check through the key signature, then E minus 1 semitone is D. So D is our last sharp in the key signature. And you have Mi, no sharp, Sol, yes, it's sharp, and Si is not sharp. So this is E major. For the third chord, first we need to read the bottom note because we start from there. This note is called B, okay? C. And if you don't remember it, you know that this is Sol, okay, La and Si. We have just one option here, B minor, so I would circle that straight away. We can't call this D, we can't call it D minor, we can call it F minor. It is the chord of B minor. Si, Re natural and Fa sharp. With a D sharp, it would be B major, but do not worry about it now. B minor is the relative minor of D major. In D major, D minus 1 is Do, so D major has just 2 sharps, and between them is Fa sharp. Next one, bass clef. This is middle C. Do sharp. Here it is. Do sharp minor. Let's double check. Do sharp, Mi, So sharp. Now, C sharp minor is the relative minor of 3 semitones above, 3 steps, 1, 2, and 3. And we find E major. E minus 1 semitone is D. So this is the key signature. We have 4 sharps. Now, Do is sharp, Mi is not sharp, and Sol is sharp. So this is C sharp minor. Am I making things clear, guys? Please write it in the comments below. Next one. Let's read this note that is really difficult. This is middle C, so we go backwards. Do, Si, La, Sol. This is Sol. Now we have just one Sol here, which is G minor. Let's circle it because this is definitely the key that we're looking for. But let's analyze it. Sol, B flat, Re. Now this B flat would make this third between G and B flat a minor third, and this is correct then. G minor is the relative minor of B flat major. B flat major, and this is interesting because we go to the flats. B flat is the penultimate flat in our key signature, so B flat major has 2 flats. As a result, also G minor has 2 flats in the key signature. So we have C flat, here it is, B flat, here it is, and Mi that is not included in the chord. Last one. This note, what is the name of the bottom note first of all? A flat. If you can't remember how to read in the bass clef, please go and watch my videos 1A, 1B, 1C and 1D, linked in the description below or up here. They will tell you how to read confidently and quickly the notes in all the 7 clefs. So this is A flat, okay? So this is A flat major. That's the only possibility we have. A flat is the penultimate flat in our key signature, so A flat plus 1. In the key signature, we have 4 flats. La flat, here it is. Do, no flat, and Mi flat, here it is. A flat major. And with this, we have completed exercise 2. Let's move on. In exercise 3, we need to add the accidentals to make the chords as they are named. So, G minor is the relative minor of B flat. Let me write actually the order of flats and sharps because this is very useful. Si, Mi, La, Re, Sol, Do, Fa. Big elephants, 8 dinosaurs, goat, cheese and figs. The sharps are the flats in reverse. Fa, Do, Sol, Re, La, Mi and Si. Fun coloring gigantic drawings after eating breakfast. G minor is the relative minor of 3 semitones above B flat. B flat is the penultimate flat in our key signature. So we have 2 flats. Sol, not flat. B flat. Here it is. This is what we need. B flat. And Re, not flat. So B flat. Make sure that your B is on the 3rd line. It has to be of the same high. So to prove what we said before, to form a minor chord, we need a minor third between the first 2 notes. So Sol, B flat is a minor third. E flat major, we don't even have to count. Oh, this is it. E flat plus 1. We have 3 flats in the key signature. So first E is flat because it's in the name. So let's not forget the first note. There is also the tonic, the most important one. So E flat. Sol is not flat and B is flat. So we have 2 flats in this chord. Perfect. D major, this is made up of, this key signature has sharps because we don't have flat in the name. And D major minus 1 semitone is Do. So Do is the last sharp in the key signature. So we have just 2 sharps. Re, no sharp. Fa, sharp. Here it is. So Fa is sharp. Here again, make sure that the middle of your symbol is in the same height of the note to which is attached. And La, no sharp, just 2 sharps. Sorted! F minor is the relative minor of plus 3 semitones A flat. Now A flat is the penultimate flat in our key signature. So we have 4 flats. Si, Mi, La and Re. Now Fa is not flat. La is flat. So there you go, we need a flat. And Do is not flat. Now, once again, the minor and the relative major share the same key signature. B minor is the relative minor of plus 3 semitones D major. And D major, we said it here, has just 2 sharps. So, let's see. B, no sharp. Re, no sharp. Fa, yes, sharp. So let's put a sharp up here. C sharp minor, okay, first of all, the sharp on the first note. If we call it C sharp, it means that this first note C is sharp. So Do sharp, then. Now, C sharp minor is the relative minor of 3 semitones above E major. E minus 1 semitone is D, and this is our last sharp in the key signature. Now let's see. C sharp, yes, is sharp. Mi, no sharp. And Sol, sharp. So we have another sharp here. B minor is the relative minor of D major, and D major, we said that has 2 sharps. So B. Re, no sharp. And Fa, yes, sharp. And it's the same as here. Just written in a different clef. And by the way, these notes are the same. Exactly the same pitch. Because middle C in bass clef is up here. And middle C in treble clef is here. So it is exactly the same chord. E flat major, so this is E flat, so here we are. We said that E flat major has 3 flats. Mi, Sol is not flat, B is flat. Here we are. Oh my God, this note is very tricky. Not really, it's Fa sharp, so straight away sharp. And if you want, you can count Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa. This is Fa sharp. This is La and this is Do. Now, F sharp minor is the relative minor of 3 semitones above A major. A minus 1 semitone is G, so A major has 3 sharps. Now, Fa is sharp. La, no sharp. Do is sharp. Yes, so F sharp minor has 2 sharps. And with this, we have concluded our 3rd exercise. Let's turn the page together. In exercise 4, we need to add 1 missing note to complete the triad. Okay, I think we need, again, the order of flats and sharps. I'm going to write it here. Si, Mi, La, Re, Sol, Do, Fa, and then Fa, Do, sol, re, la, mi, si. Okay. F minor, this is F in bass clef, re plus 2. So if this is fa, we've identified the tonic, so we need a note above and another note above. Now, in our exercise, we need to make sure that this note has the right accidental or doesn't have accidentals. So, F minor is the relative minor of A flat major. A flat plus 1, so this is the key signature, 4 flats. Does it include do, the final note, fa, la, do? Nope. So this is the final chord. Look at this shape here. Evidently there is one missing note in the middle. So let's put it here. There you go. E major, sharps. E minus 1 semitone, D. So D is our last sharp in the key signature, and here we have it. 4 sharps. So mi, no sharp. Sol, sharp. Ha. And B, no sharp. So sorted. Next one, C sharp minor. Now, is this note C? Nope. We need to write a note underneath because this is do sharp and we put a sharp because do sharp, do sharp. This is finished. We don't need anything more. D major, oh, we have a hole in the middle, so let's fill it with a note. Now, re fa is a minor third. To make it major as the chord, we need a sharp. And we know that D major has 2 sharps, fa and do, and fa is sharp. G minor, okay, similarly here we need a note in the middle, and then sol si is a major third, but we need a minor third, so we need to put a flat here. There you go, B flat. C minor, this note is not do, so we need certainly a note below, not above. C minor, C. We don't need any flats or anything because C, C, the note is the same. We can't have a sharp here, for example, and call the chords C minor. The note must be the same. C, C, C sharp, E, E, G, G. A flat, perfect. And we need a note in the middle here. So the key signature has 3 flats because A is the penultimate flat. So do, is it included in the list of flats? No, so no flat. B flat major, and this is not B flat, so we need a note underneath, and A flat because B flat, B flat. Now B flat has 2 flats, C and mi. And do we have mi here? No, just B flat. So that is completed. E flat major, okay, E flat, another note here and another note here. Now make sure that you put the ledger line, otherwise this makes no sense, guys. Remember, this makes no sense because it's the equivalence of a note like this. It doesn't make any sense. We need to know how far it is from the stave by adding a ledger line. So make sure that also your ledger lines are very, very tidy, neatly written. We must write precisely in music. It doesn't matter how you write words in music, it has to be all the same. So E flat major has 3 flats and here we have them, and here they are. So we have B, E, and A. B is flat, G, not sharp, not flat. So E is flat, yes. G is not flat, and B, yes, is flat. Of course it is. It's the first flat in the key signature. How could we miss it? Let's continue. Also, guys, don't forget that you can find me on Facebook, Theory Virtuoso, and Instagram, Theory Virtuoso, where you can see all the videos that I publish and some other nice things. You can also visit my website, theoryvirtuoso.com. All the links are in the description below. My website is very useful to find the videos because they are well organized. Don't forget to leave a comment, get in touch, and let me know how you're doing with your theory learning. F major, okay, this is F, so we need a note above, and this note has also the line through. Ledger line. F major, this is the chord of F major, we don't need anything else. F major is the only key signature with flats that doesn't have the flat in the name. And it has just one flat, B. So, nothing in the chord. No B's in the chord, so it's completed already. D minor, this is D, so Re, Fa, La. Now D minor is the relative minor of F major, and it has just one flat in the key signature as F major. And we don't have any B's here as well, because this is not B, but it's Re. So it's complete as it is. F sharp minor, this is not F. So we need a note underneath. F is here. And F sharp, let's not forget that. Is La sharp? I don't think so, because F sharp minor, as the relative minor of A, has just 3 sharps. And these 3 sharps don't include A. So the chord is complete as it is. There is a challenge now, and I'd like you to send me yours, and I will tell you if all is correct or not. Please do so by writing me an email or get in touch via Facebook or Instagram. I always read your comments and I always reply. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I hope this video was helpful, and remember to like it and share it with your friends. If it was useful for you, it will be useful for other people too. Now, if you're looking for other chapters of Discovering Music Theory Grade 3, you only need to click there and find the chapter you're looking for. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!